Now at 6, everything we pay for seems to be going up. The cost of homes, groceries, and now if President Trump has his way, prescription pills. Thanks for joining us. I'm Richard Ransom.
And I'm Pepper Baker. Just last week, President Trump signed several executive orders which could hurt your wallet the next time you have to refill your medications. ABC 24's Desmond Nugent spoke with one Memphis woman who's concerned for the well-being of a family member. Desmond?
Richard Pepper, Janice Walker, who has health issues herself, says she won't be too happy to pay for more for her prescription pills. However, her biggest concern is for her grandfather, who is more than 90 years old. Prescription pills are an everyday need, especially for people in the Mid-South with health issues, a concern Janice Walker has when thinking about her grandfather who was more than 90 years old.
This is really not about the people, it's about Big Pharma.
Last week, President Trump signed more than a dozen controversial executive orders, one of which impacts the healthcare system. If you're on Medicare, prescription drugs can cost up to $2,000 out of pocket each year. Walker says it's a price she doesn't think her grandfather should have to pay.
There's no problem with us stepping in to help pay for medicine or anything like that. But why should we have to when he has worked and also he's a veteran?
Kirby Witten pharmacy owner Dr. Stephen Haley believes Trump's executive order is not only bad for business, but it also doesn't benefit those who need their medication.
It doesn't benefit. They can say they cost save all they want to, but once they ask for higher rebates, the manufacturers are going to keep increasing their prices.
Dr. Haley says not keeping prescription pills at a lower price could create a health emergency.
We've got to be able to afford medications so that we can prevent the long-term consequences, which are much more expensive to deal with.
Now, I did reach out to multiple U.S. congressmen and senators to comment on why President Trump has made this directive, but they have yet to respond. In the studio, I'm Desmond Nugent.